fire, flood, landslide, hurricane, earthquake. Interlocking Disaster Control and Alert System HazardPro HZP300 detects any disaster and interlocks with facility equipment. Its immediate alerts to relevant personnel help minimize damage. Upon disaster detection, it activates in-building announcements, opens automatic doors, controls elevators, and opens shutters. As well as administrator screens and push notifications to assigned personnel, automatic call functions will be added. Instant awareness of disasters allows for swift responses. Any disaster can be minimized with HazardPro HZP300. Why not adopt it?